Guys, this is literally the laziest way to make money online. I have never seen something that you can start and make $1,000 in your first 30 days with very little effort. This is an unreal opportunity because this side hustle could be paying your rent within 90 days. And that's exactly what it did for me. I started it about a year ago, and since then it's made me $40,000. And the crazy part is I'm not doing a lot of work on this side hustle. I actually have not touched it in like almost 2 months now. It keeps funneling cash in my bank account every single month, and now is the time to get on this opportunity. It's not gonna last forever. This opportunity is called the Amazon Influencer Program, and you are paid to record 30-second video reviews of products that sell on Amazon. It has been a game changer for me, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in just 10 minutes and scale this to thousands per month. With that being said, let's get into the video so you can see exactly how this works and so you can start making money. And as always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get into it.
What's up, guys? Let's dive into the Amazon Influencer Program. So here is the sign up page, and essentially how it works is that all of your videos that you record, you upload them to Amazon, and then Amazon places them on the product page. So any customer who's shopping can see the item, click on it, order it, and then you earn commission because they watched your video. So it's really, really cool. All you're really doing is giving an opinion about your product. And I'm going to dive into some of these products here, and you can kind of see what these videos might look like. So if you scroll down here, this is basically just frequent questions about the influencer program. So you need to have either a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account. And it has to be a business account. You also have to have at least 1,000 followers from what I've heard. Obviously, typically you want to be around 3,000 to 5,000 followers, but there are ways to get around this. Even if you don't have the required following, don't sweat it. There are ways to get around it. We do cover that in our free community. If you want to go ahead and click the link down in the description, you can join that and learn exactly how to do that. But that's how we get them into the program without having the required following. And then they are able to start uploading videos and get approved. But when you do, let's say you do get that 3,000 followers, you get into the program, you want to upload 3 videos and 3 videos only, because then they review it. So essentially there's 2 different approval processes. There's the initial process where you sign up on this link right here. And then once you're accepted for that, then you got to upload the 3 videos, and then they approve you to have your products placed or your videos placed on these product pages that I'm about to show you in a second. So typically commissions here, so how much will you earn? So it's typically from 1% to 5%. Usually luxury beauty is the highest. Furniture, home improvement tools are really high as well. Those are some great categories. Anything lying around your home pretty much will earn you commission. That's usually how I tell people to get started, is go through everything in your house, put together a list, and make sure it's on Amazon. It doesn't have to be bought from Amazon. You just have to make sure it's on Amazon. And then you start recording these 30-second video reviews of these products. And then essentially, once you get the approvals and everything done, you will get them on the product page. So it's a very simple process to get started. Honestly, most of the work comes in the beginning, and then after that, it's smooth sailing, and then you will start to making pretty much, I hate the word passive income, but guys, I'm making $3,000 a month from this, and I haven't touched it in 2 months. That just goes to show, like, it is literally just income rolling in, and it's paying my rent every single month. But yeah, so Amazon's honestly doing this to try to compete with TikTok, because it's creators and all that stuff. They know that creators drive decisions, but you don't actually have to be a creator here. As I'm going to show you these videos in a second, you're going to really see what a video looks like. So this was one of the products I purchased just because I wanted it for my home. So I bought it because we needed a better vacuum, and I found out, turns out I can upload a video review on it. It sells 10,000 times a month. So think about if I get like a 4% commission on that, $5-6 every single sale, sells 10,000 times a month. Think about the potential there. I could be making hundreds of dollars a month from just this product and commissions. And there's thousands of products. I have 1,500 products on my store. So you can, for 1,500 videos on my store. So you can get crazy with this. I know a lot of people who found 300-400 products in just their home. So if you click this, essentially there's 2 different carousels. I'm about to show you 2 different products, and you're going to see the difference. So this one has an upper carousel, which means the videos are going to be placed at the top of the video. Sometimes there is an upper and a lower carousel. I want to see if this one has one. So this one has both an upper and a lower carousel. So there's a lower carousel here You can see my video is not placed on this, but you can do any kind of video. You could do shark versus Bissell, but like you honestly just need to do a video like this. As you can see, this person here did a 1-minute video just explaining the vacuum, unedited. So you don't have to be edited here. You don't have to do these crazy 5-minute long videos. But you can see here that this is an example of a video review. So she's just telling her honest opinion about the product, and it's just super straightforward and simple. You can really just see it's such a simple video. She's just explaining the vacuum, going over all the different features, and that's pretty much it. And that's all you really have to do is describe the product, describe the features, say what you like about it, and then leave a recommendation. So it's very, very simple. And most of the product, you just have to talk about most of the video, you just have to talk about the product. So it's a very simple program. Anybody can do it. It doesn't require lots of capital. You can literally do this with no inventory, $0, just the products in your home. So that's an upper carousel. It's a lower carousel as we recapped. This product only has an upper carousel. So this is actually one of my private label mentors. Shout out Robert Oliver. But yeah, so there's a lower carousel down here. As you can see, if you scroll down, this video or this product only has a lower carousel. There's only 3 videos on it. So this is one of the products that is churning me commission. And that's another insane part there. You can make a lot of money from just any product as long as it sells. And a lot of them don't have a lot of competition. This is a brand new product with only 3 videos on it. So that is just essentially the potential. This product has probably made me a few $100s a month so far on just commission. So the sky is the limit, guys, and it's so simple. Dive into that video review as well. As you can just see, I didn't even show my face in it. And that's one thing I forgot to mention is you don't need to show your face in any of these videos.
Of the top shelf pearl.
So you can really see that my effort level is not very high in this video. You don't need a crazy effort level. You just need to talk about the product, say what you like, what you don't like, and it's going to get clicked on, and people are going to look at the video because they want a recommendation or they want you to talk about the product so they understand exactly what they're getting. And it helps with products like this. It's expensive cologne. This one's an expensive vacuum. So it really helps with these type of products because people want to make an educated decision. So that's the reason why these customers look at this video, and that's the reason why you're going to make a lot of money with this program. But that's pretty much that. If you want to learn how to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program without the required following, then click the link in the description to join my free community, the Influencer Insiders. There's going to be tons of content and stuff like there. In there, we'll be doing IG Lives weekly as well. So you can get a lot of great value in there to learn more about this program. But that's pretty much that. I hope you guys got some value from this video and really understand how this works and how you can make tons of money with it. As always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.